Hello everyone, it's Arda from the Dispatch Company. In this quick video, I just want to show you how our auto-allocation plugin works for Helm users. So auto-allocation plugin is very helpful if you're a retailer who's been doing manual allocations on your system where you need to select orders, allocate them before you process them. Now on Helm, we usually automatically allocate things when you print paperwork for them, such as pick lists, or when you create actual digital picks for them, we allocate them before doing so. But if you want the system to look through your orders, see if they're allocatable, and then separate them depending on their allocation status, you can use Auto-Allocation Plugin for better management. In order to install it, it's very easy. You just need to go into your settings. Once you're in the settings, you need to then go into Plugin Store, and from Plugin Store, then you need to click on Auto-Allocation Plugin. After that, you just need to click on Install. The system is going to give you a little pop-up where you can say yes. Once you're happy with that, you can then click on Launch. That's going to take you to your plugin settings page. Now, plugin is very simple to set up. You can just say if the plugin is activated or not. If you say yes, then it will start running for every order that's on your collection status. Now, this brings us to the actual collection status filter. The system is not going to look for every order that you want it to, although it can do that. You can put multiple statuses that the system should look for. What you need to do is select the status of orders that this plugin should look for. Once it looks for them, you can also tell the system where it should move them into once they are fully allocated. So technically you can say, I want the system to always look for orders that are in dispatch ready, which is on default new order status on Helm. Once it runs the plugin and it fully allocates, it will then move them into dispatch pending, which could be your internal status. Keep in mind that Helm supports custom statuses, so you can create it, manage it the way you'd like. And what you will know is that if you look at your screen, if you see any dispatch ready orders, those are currently not allocated with your current stock levels. Thank you for watching.